Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix any installation errors inside of Discord. It's a nice and easy one to fix. You would just need to go through each of these steps to find the solution that works for you. So the very first thing we're going to do is head over to our start menu and search for run, and then tap on the run icon, and inside of this search box we need to type in %appdata %, and hit enter. Then scroll down, and if inside of here you see a folder for Discord, we just need to right click on this Discord folder and select the trash icon, and this is going to delete the folder, and we can then head out of this window, and we're going to come back over to the start menu and search for run once more, and this time in the search box we're going to type in %, at local app data %, and hit enter. And once again we need to scroll down to check if we have a Discord folder inside of here. And if we do, just right click it once more and select the trash icon to delete it. We can then head out of this folder, and the next thing you need to do is come over to the start menu and search for settings, then come over to the settings tab, inside of network and internet from the left here, inside of VPN, and if you're currently connected to a VPN, I'd recommend now disconnecting it. If you're not currently connected to a VPN and you do have one, then I'd recommend connecting to it here. We can then close down this window and you can check to see if that's fixed the issue. Otherwise, move on to the next step. So the next thing we need to do is head over to our start menu and search for Task Manager. Come over to Task Manager, and in this search box at the very top here, we're going to search for Discord. And if you do see any processes in here relating to Discord, we just want to close them down by right-clicking and selecting End Task. As you can see, I don't have anything inside of here, which is great, so we can head out of this window. And the next thing you need to do is head over to an internet browser. Come over to the website discord.com/download, and we're just going to press this Download for Windows button here. And once the download's finished, we just need to right-click on Discord Setup. Inside of Properties, over in the Compatibility tab, you need to ensure that Run this program as administrator is ticked. And then we can press Apply and OK. And you can double click this file to try and launch it. Now if that's still not working, the next thing we're going to do is to ensure that Windows Installer Service is running on our computer, which is an important part of installing programs to our PC. So you can do this by heading over to the start menu and searching for services. Come over to services, and we're going to scroll down this long list of services all the way down to the W section, and you're looking for something called Windows Installer. You need to double click on this, and if this service status is stopped, then we can start it now by pressing this start button, and we can press OK to save these changes. You can then head out of this window, and the very last thing we're going to do is head back over to the start menu and search for CMD, then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Inside of here we're just going to uninstall and reinstall the Windows installer. And you can do this by typing in msiexec/unreg and hit enter. And then you need to type in msiexec/reg server and hit enter. And then you'll need to restart your computer. And once your computer's restarted, that should have fixed any installation errors you're getting inside of Discord. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.